Amazon, the e-commerce and technology behemoth, has consistently pushed the boundaries of innovation and customer satisfaction. However, Amazon recognizes that its most valuable asset is its workforce. To ensure the financial well-being of its employees, Amazon has introduced a comprehensive financial wellness program that not only empowers its workforce, but also reaps significant benefits for both the company and its dedicated employees, recognizing the need for change. Despite being part of one of the world's most successful companies, many Amazon employees have faced their own financial challenges, from student loans and housing expenses to everyday financial responsibilities. Amazon's leadership understood that these financial challenges could lead to stress, impacting employee performance, job satisfaction, and ultimately the company's success. Acknowledging the need for change, Amazon set out to address these challenges, providing its employees with the financial support they need for success in their personal and professional lives. A comprehensive approach to financial wellness. Amazon's financial wellness program is designed to offer a wide range of services that cater to the diverse financial needs of its employees. These services include 1. Financial education. Amazon provides access to a wealth of educational resources, including workshops, webinars, and online courses that cover essential financial topics such as budgeting, savings, and investing. 2. Debt management. The program assists employees in managing and reducing debt by offering tools, resources, and expert guidance on loans, credit card debt, and other financial liabilities. 3. Retirement planning. Recognizing the importance of retirement preparation, Amazon encourages employees to plan for their future through retirement savings accounts, investment advisory services, and retirement planning workshops. 4. Savings incentives. Amazon incentivizes saving by offering various benefits and contributions to retirement accounts and emergency savings funds, motivating employees to secure their financial futures. The benefits of investing in financial wellness. Amazon's commitment to financial wellness has brought forth numerous advantages for both the company and its employees. 1. Enhanced employee satisfaction. By nurturing and supporting employees in their financial journey, Amazon fosters a sense of loyalty, commitment, and higher job satisfaction. 2. Increased employee productivity. Financially secure employees can focus more on their work, leading to increased productivity, innovation, and overall improved performance. 3. Reduced employee turnover. Employees who are financially stable are more likely to stay with the company, reducing the costs associated with recruitment, training, and onboarding of new staff. 4. Attracting top talent. Amazon's commitment to employee financial wellness bolsters its reputation as an employer of choice in the highly competitive tech and e-commerce industry, attracting top talent. 5. Corporate social responsibility. Amazon's dedication to employee well-being enhances its image as a socially responsible corporate entity, reinforcing its positive public perception. In conclusion, Amazon's financial wellness program underscores the company's unwavering commitment to creating a supportive and fulfilling work environment. By addressing the financial well-being of its employees, Amazon sets in motion a positive cycle of benefits that results in a more prosperous and engaged workforce. As other companies recognize the advantages of financial wellness programs, this trend is anticipated to continue to grow, benefiting employees and employers alike. Amazon's financial wellness program is a testament to its commitment to both its employees and its bottom line, serving as a powerful example of how addressing the financial needs of employees can create a positive cycle of benefits, ultimately leading to a stronger, more prosperous workforce and a more successful business.